Want that Panera Bread mac and cheese, but not the cost? Let's learn how to make it at home. The Panera Bread mac and cheese is so simple to make. These are the only ingredients you are going to need, and you can find each of them in the description. The first thing that you are going to do is get a pot of water on the stove to get ready to boil. This step of the whole cooking process is going to be the most time consuming, but it's worth it. You're going to shred your own cheddar cheese. In the end, you're going to have about 2 cups. It's best just to shred the whole block. As you are shredding the cheese, the water should be ready, so go ahead and dump the pasta into it. At this point, your pasta is drained, so let's build the sauce. You're going to melt the butter, and then you're going to put the flour into the pan. Using a whisk, or you can use a spoon with holes, go ahead and mix it together. This should take about a minute. The flour milk blend is going to end up looking like this. Then you're going to pour your 1 cup of milk and then go ahead and mix it together, making sure that it is completely dissolved before we move on to the next step. Now you're going to add in your 2 cups of your heavy whipping cream, making sure you get all of it out of your cup, and then go ahead with that same spoon or whisk, go ahead and mix it together. You want to make sure everything is completely dissolved the best that you can. At this point, you've added your salt, pepper, and your ground mustard. You're going to want to boil the sauce. Once it starts boiling, go ahead and drop the temperature down to a simmer and completely mix it all together. This is the step before we're going to start adding the cheese. And you want to add it in small batches, mixing it together because the bottom of the pan is very hot. When all the cheese is blended in the sauce, go ahead and dump your pasta in. This is why you want a deep dish, and go ahead and mix it together. And there you go, Panera Bread mac and cheese. Make sure you hit subscribe. Here is your next video.